up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a how to get an Instagram baddie look. So I will insert some photos of some lovely beautiful girls that I follow and who I am inspired by and who inspired this look today. So there's a picture here, a picture here, a picture right here, two more here, 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 and here. And these girls inspired this look today. I'm going to show you how to get it. It's pretty quick, easy, simple, and how to get that, you know, Instagram baddie look and how you can be an Instagram baddie as well. Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell if you want to see how I got this look. Then please keep watching.
Here I'm taking Farsali's Unicorn Essence. I'm using Fix Plus and Benefits Porefessional Setting Powder as my primer.
Both of them because why not? This one's lighter, so I'm going to use this in the lighter areas of my face.
MAC's Matchmaster and Smashbox Liquid Halo, both in the number 7.
And Universal Taupe. Looks like that. Looks like that. So first I'm going to go underneath my brow, and I'm not starting at the very beginning. I'm starting right here, so we get that like ombre graduated effect, so it doesn't look too harsh at the beginning of your brow, because nobody's brows at the beginning look super harsh. They all have less hair here and more hair going here, and sometimes less hair here. So you want it to look like a more natural brow, even though it's going to be like a beat Instagram brow. You don't want it to look like a freak show, yeah?
So here I'm just blending it out using light sweeping strokes, and I'm carving out my brow, and then I'm using the spoolie side to blend that out.
Now I'm going to use the spoolie, and I'm just going to blend it and blend it out.
Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 20. Using a beauty blender and Fix Plus, I'm blending out the highlight. BH Cosmetics Contour Palette, the first 2 shades. Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlighter, it's my favorite. Carly Bible palette. I know you guys, it's beat up as fuck. I'm really sorry, but you get the picture.
We're using It Cosmetics. We're using Alola, like so. Then I go on the top, like so. And then I curl my brush into my lashes. Go on the bottom again, and then I go vertical and horizontal, both ways girls, and this will separate those individual eyelashes. Oh, and in my vlog, yeah, girl got lash certified. Yes, I did. I'm moving up in the world, baby. It was so much fun though. You'll see it in my vlog when I upload it, whenever that is, but it was a very fun experience. I just want you guys to know that I'm not giving up on my dreams, and I don't feel like you should either. And if you work 8 hours for a company and you go home and you don't work on your own dream, you're uninspired. You're not tired, you're not exhausted, you're just uninspired. And do whatever you need to do to feel inspired. The girl at the lash class that I went to, she told me how she like worked 90 hours a week between her like day job and her passion, her dream. And like through the law of attraction and her putting in the work, she manifested her own business. And she is a mother of 2, and she's working full time. and she was working on her dream at the same time. And I feel like we all have the same 24 hours in a day. We can't make excuses for ourselves. I can't make excuses for myself. I have to work on what it is that I want, and I have to manifest those things that I want in my life, and I have to put in the hard work just like everyone else. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, that I think it's so important that if you hate your job, I mean, don't quit if you can't afford to quit, but don't be unhappy. Fix it, change it, apply for another job, pursue your passion, take classes and get certified in things, or go back to school, or do something that you love to do, because you spend majority of your life working. Literally majority of your life you spend working just to retire, to possibly enjoy 15 years of retirement if you live that long. So what is the point and the purpose of doing something that you hate for most of your existence? We don't live to be 100 years anymore like they used to back in the day, and now we barely make it to 65 or 85. So retirement is 65. If you don't live that long, you worked your whole life to be miserable and to pay bills and to die. And I'm saying, be driven by your purpose, be driven by your passion, because God forbid, in April I had such a dark period of my life where I felt like I'm almost 30 years old and my life doesn't look like how I want it to look, and my life doesn't match my blueprint, and I just felt so purposeless. And now I'm on this journey of self-discovery where I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna figure out whatever the hell it is my purpose is. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna take classes, I'm gonna go to school, I'm gonna experience all these things, I'm gonna travel, I'm gonna do whatever I need to do. I'm not gonna have excuses. I'm not gonna hold myself back, because I'm the only person that can really hold myself back. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I think I'm gonna do a little series. I know I'm gonna do a series on stuff like where I talk about that, and like purpose and focusing on your own happiness and focusing on self-love, because it's so important. I feel like people don't share that enough and people don't teach that enough, and I wish we learned stuff like that in school, because it's so important, and mental health is so important too. People don't take it as seriously as they should. Society doesn't take it as seriously as it should. So I feel like if I can help and I can kind of use my voice or use my platform, then that's what I'll do. Stone by MAC. It's one of my favorites. It's like almost a gray tone kind of. Guys, that was my video. I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you are already subscribed, and I will see you in my next